Organizer, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to verse a cheap pound shop wire which cost me £1 up to a expensive cable. I'm going to see the difference. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a really good high quality microphone. That's the Apple earbud. I hate saying that, I don't know why. But we're going to get the Apple earphones, if you want to call it. And that is going to be my microphone for today. Now we're going to be playing it through these very high quality. Now they are very high quality JBL Control 25s. And a Denon, which is obviously running off the Cambridge down there, which is another two good makes. So, here we go. Test number 1, expensive cable. So, in my opinion, I reckon the pound shop wire was the best. But yeah, I reckon the pound shop one was the best. Yeah, but leave your comments or opinion comments, whatever you want to say, in the description. No, that's not the right word. In the comments below the video. I will try to check back on this video soon and see the comments, which is obviously going to be none, but I'll try to see the comments and see if there's any there, and I might reply. But anyway, that's not what you're looking for. I'm not one of these celebrities or anything, but yeah. So I reckon the pound shop wire is the best. So yeah, but again, it depends what you guys think. So comment in the description, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.